Hi, Clint here, Crimson Landscape, here to talk about your outdoor living and landscape design. First, I want to talk about the pool deck. So I did the best I could to pull the specs off the original pool installation plan, as well as to match the dimensions of your new build. I came up with around 1,695 square feet of pool deck, even with leaving these gaps here for landscape, as well as um, including this fire pit. It's a lot of deck. I was surprised with the number I came up with. The original plan had 1,380 square feet. So it's about a 300 square foot delta between the original plan and what I'm projecting you'll need for the property. I'm not sure where that difference came from. The original plan didn't specify the width of the walk paths here, so I made them like from here to here is 4 feet. I had a best guess on how big this fire pit was. Same thing over here. So let me go over to the 2D version of it so you can kind of see it. So you can see everything lined up, the width, the measurements, all this lined up with the plan, and the measurements are all correct. 4 foot, 4 foot, 4 foot here, 4 foot here. This is 15.8, 15.3. So it's and it goes out about up to 6 feet roughly from the back fence. It's about in line with what you have now. So again, about 1380 was in the original pool installation document, and we're currently sitting at 1695. It can be modified. I just wanted to show you where we're at as far as overages on pavers at the moment. So if I had to say we're going to lose 250 square feet in waste plus the extra 300, so we're probably looking at about 550 roughly new pavers we need is a best guess. All right, from a plant perspective, I got this area allocated for a plant bed. I didn't put plants in now. I just wanted to see what your thoughts are if you wanted plants here and plants here. And there's a square footage is 115 and 125. Gravel here in this space until you determine what you're going to do with it. Gravel in this space over here as well until you're going to determine what else you're going to add over there, but that's what I have. In the fence, this bed's a 6-foot bed from roughly 6 foot 6 inches from the fence. I designed it in such a manner so where I'm trying to minimize the gas location, so you have that gas jut in for your fence because of your gas meter. So I'm trying to kind of hide that. There's your gas meter. So the way I did it was I spaced these trees. These are called Eagleston holly trees. I kind of centered it off the space so this fills in the space and the trees will grow to kind of hide it. Then I went with a basic English country theme with the plants. I didn't overdo the plants at all, so there's not too many plants. It's just simple colors and textures, easy to maintain, full sun. So this is a society garlic. I did 3 daisies, dwarf Yopon holly in back, then a Rose Creek Abelia, and in the back over here I did a giant Laripe. Then I just repeated the pattern all the way across, so depending on the time of year and the height and color texture, so at a distance from the back door you'll see yellow, 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 purple, 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 then white flower, white flower, white flower. Then these trees right here will get about 20 to 25 feet tall if you let them. You can prune them however you see fit to keep them skinny, let them grow wide or whatever. You can keep them in this triangular shape. I wouldn't go less than 30 gallons on these. I don't like doing 15 gallons of these. They look kind of wonky. But everything else underneath here, we can certainly do 3 gallons or 1 gallon to save a little bit of money. And then mulch back here. Then, of course, the rest is just grass. So grass over here and grass over here. Over here in this space over here, wasn't sure how you're going to do it. We talked briefly on generator and other options. In the meantime, all I did was make it gravel. And it's probably somewhere over here you're going to have a gate. Nothing's going to grow over here anyway. So I would stick with simple gravel as I showed in the 2D design. And same thing over here with your pool pump. I did gravel as well. A couple things to think about is I stopped the pool deck at the same spot where it stopped before. I can move it over a couple feet. No big deal. I didn't add the windows and doors here, but you get the idea. So the kind of decisions you have to make. Is the 1695, is that good? Are you okay with increasing the size of the deck? Or do we need to decrease the size of the deck to save money on installation cost? Are you okay with landscape here in these 2 spots, or do you want to make that deck? There's other things we could do with artificial turf. We can incorporate some artificial turf if you want. It just depends on what you want to accomplish. The one thing not shown is we always put in our bid is back here where lights to these trees back here. I wanted to start here, let you get something initially to look at, so you can start making some decisions on how you want to shake this out for the backyard. Probably, I would say Thursday-ish or Friday-ish we'll have you the front yard design as well. If you have any questions, you can just let me know, drop me an email, and if you're a first-time guest seeing this video for the first time, you can check us out at crimsonlandscape.com.